Hey guys, in this part we talk about numbers in Python. There are three numeric types in Python: int, float and complex. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. So, for example, x equal to 1 and x is int and y equal to 2.8, y is float and z equal to 2j and the z is complex. And to verify the type of any object in Python, use the type function. So print type x, y and z. Save and run. Int, float and complex. Int or integer is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. So, for example, create a variable int 1 equal to 1 and int 2 equal to a big number and int 3 equal to minus a number, and print type int 1, 2 and 3. Save, run. Int and int and int. Float or floating point number is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. So for example, f1 equal to 1.10, y equal to 1.0 and z equal to minus 35.59, and print types f2 and f3, f2 and f3. Save and run. Float, float and float. Float can also be a scientific number with an e to indicate the power of 10. So for example, change the f1 to 35 e and 3 and print the f1 35 and 3 zeros with a decimal. Complex numbers are written with a j as the imaginary part. So, for example, c1 equal to 3 plus 5j and c2 is 5j and c3 is minus 5j. Print types c2 and c3. Save and complex, complex and complex. You can convert from one type to another with the int, float and complex methods. So for example, I comment these codes and So create a variable equal to float x. This is convert from int to float, and b is int y. This is convert from float to int, and c is complex x, and this convert from int to complex, and print type and values. So type a, b and c, and a value, b and c. Save and run. We have float 1.0, int is 2 without decimals, and complex. Note, we can't convert complex numbers into another number type. And random numbers. Python doesn't have a random function to make a random number, but Python has a built-in module called random that can be used to make random numbers. So import the random and print random dot range, for example 1 to 10 or 100. Control S and run. We have 11, or run 98 and